Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we delve into another fascinating English word. Today's word is define. Define, a B1 level verb, essentially means to explain the meaning of something. It's about making something clear and understandable. Think of it as putting a spotlight on a concept, idea, or word to illuminate its true essence. We use define every day, often without even realizing it. For instance, you might ask, "Can you define this word for me?" Or, "How would you define success?" It's a fundamental part of communication, helping us avoid misunderstandings and ensuring we're all on the same page. Let's look at some synonyms for define. One good synonym is explain. For example, instead of saying, "Can you define the term quantum physics?" you could say, "Can you explain the term quantum physics?" Another useful synonym is clarify. If something is confusing, you might ask someone to clarify it for you. So you could say, "Could you clarify what you meant by that statement?" Yet another synonym is interpret. This is often used when dealing with more complex or ambiguous things. For example, "How would you interpret this poem's meaning?" is similar to asking how you would define the poem's meaning. And finally, another synonym we can use is describe. To describe is to give the details. Instead of saying, "Define the features of the car," you could say, "Describe the features of the car." Now, let's consider some antonyms, words that have the opposite meaning of define. One antonym is obscure. To obscure something is to make it unclear or difficult to understand. For example, instead of defining the rules, someone might try to obscure them. Another antonym is confuse. If you define something well, you make it less confusing. But if you confuse something, you make it harder to understand. For instance, the complicated explanation only served to confuse the students. Another antonym is misinterpret. To misinterpret is to understand incorrectly, which is the opposite of accurately defining something. You could say, "He misinterpreted her silence as agreement." A further antonym is complicate. To complicate something is to make it more difficult than necessary, the opposite of defining it, which makes things clear. The new regulations complicate the process unnecessarily. Let's consider how we use define in everyday life. You might hear someone say, "Define your goals." This means to clearly state what you want to achieve. Or you might hear, "We need to define the problem before we can solve it." This means we need to understand the problem clearly before we try to fix it. In a more formal setting, you might encounter legal terms being defined in a contract. This is crucial to ensure everyone understands their obligations. In relationships, people might define the terms of their relationship, clarifying whether they are exclusive or not. The ability to define boundaries is important for healthy relationships. Now, let's look at some example sentences using the word define. The dictionary defines altruism as selfless concern for others. Another example, scientists are working to define the causes of the disease. A third example, her actions define her character more than her words do. A fourth example, the company needs to define its target market more precisely. And finally, a fifth example, "Can you define the scope of this project for me?" Another example, the lawyer attempted to define the legal precedent. Thinking about phrases, you might hear define success on your own terms, meaning don't let others tell you what success means. You could also hear define the relationship, often shortened to DTR, which means to discuss the nature of a romantic relationship. So, to recap, define means to explain the meaning of something. Synonyms include explain, clarify, interpret, and describe, while antonyms include obscure, confuse, misinterpret, and complicate. We use define in countless situations, from understanding dictionary definitions to setting goals and clarifying relationships. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this exploration of the word define helpful. Before we go, I have a small request. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find our show and learn English along with us. And now, for your homework, I challenge you to create your own sentence using the word define and share it in the comments section below the video. I can't wait to see what you come up with. I look forward to seeing you all again soon on the next episode of Hello Word.